Hi everybody, welcome to Rajtech India. Today the video is about the latest update released by the Central Government of India regarding the EPF contribution rates for the months of May, June and July 2020. Only for these 3 months, EPF deduction rates are decreased to the 10% and it is applicable only to the private sector employees, and for public sector employees, previous 12% EPF deduction rates will be applicable. Till now, we are contributing 12% of our basic wage plus GNS allowances to the EPF account, and even employer is also contributing another 12% to the EPF accounts of the employees. In that, 3.67% is going to the PF and remaining 8.33% is going to the pension account of the employees. And employer is also paying another 1% extra PF charges, in which 0.50% is going to the PF admin charges and 0.5% is going to the EDLI charges. Here the EDLI means Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. Every employee who is contributing to the EPF will also become eligible to the Employee Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. But with this new EPF deduction rules for the months of May, June, July 2020, only 10% will be deducted from our basic wage plus DA. For private sector employees, for most of the private sector employees, there is no DA. So you can consider only your basic wage as your PF salary, in which 10% is deducting from your basic wage, and even employer will also contribute another 10%, in which 1.67% will go to the EPF account of the employee and remaining 8.33% will go to the pension account of the employee. So there is no change in the pension contribution by the employer. The only change in the PF contribution of the employer and PF contribution in the employee. Let me explain it with an example. For example, if an employee's basic wage is 10,000 rupees, in which 10%, that means 1,000 rupees, will go to the EPF account. That means only 1,000 rupees will be deducted from the employee's basic wage for PF. And even employer will also pay another 10%, in which 1.67% of the 10,000 rupees, which is equal to 167 rupees, and 8.33% of the 10,000 rupees, it is equal to 833 rupees. So employer is paying 167 rupees to the PF account of the employee and remaining 833 rupees to the pension account of the employee. So like this, employers are reducing 2% of their PF contributions and the enhanced salary of the employees is increasing, but overall employees are getting low EPF savings. So this is the latest update regarding the EPF deduction rates released by the Central Government of India. Still, if you have any doubts, then please ask your doubts in below comment section, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe to Rajtech India. Thank you.